Okay, so I don't think I introed or outroed this video, so I'm gonna do that now before I start editing. I'm making my husband's meal prep for the week, and I am making enchilada cabbage rolls. Hopefully my husband will call me and tell me how it is before I get this video edited, and we can insert it here and let you know, but they're chicken enchiladas, so yeah. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys here in a bit. Okay, so for this, you're gonna need, for this, what's it called? Low carb enchilada cabbage rolls. You're gonna need some chicken breast. I'm using 4, an onion, some mozzarella cheese, a head of cabbage, some green enchilada sauce, some green chilies, pepper, salt, cumin, chili powder, and onion powder. Okay, I am going to cut my onion first.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Now I'm just going to dissect the chicken. Okay. I'm gonna put the chicken in this bowl. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle onion powder. Whoop, that was a lot of chili powder. Didn't mean to do that much, but that's okay. Some cumin. Some salt. Some pepper. And before I mix this, I'm gonna get my skillet going on the stove with some oil. I'm just gonna pour about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Okay. I'm just gonna give this a nice little tossy toss. Girls. Okay, wash my hands. My can opener. I'm gonna go ahead and open this can of green chilies. I'm gonna bring y'all over to the stove. See if I can get y'all a better angle. Alright, now that y'all have a good angle of the skillet, let's see if I can open this garlic. You guys, my neighbors have put a pool in their side yard. Not even in the fence of their backyard, but in their side yard that I can see from my bay window in my living room. They're constantly out there being loud and annoying. Okay, we're gonna put in our onions. Let them cook for a minute. I'm gonna, y'all know the drill, add the garlic. then we add chicken. Green chilies. Okay, I prepared this bowl. Once your chicken is done, now you don't want to overcook it because this is going to go back in the oven and continue to cook. I'm just going to put it in this bowl with this paper towel. Okay. Hey. And while y'all were watching that chicken cook, I just went ahead and got all my cabbage leaves taken off. This is gonna be hot. I didn't think about letting, you know what, I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit and then we'll come back. Okay. So, I got me a 9x13 glass pan. Got my chicken and got my cabbage leaves. Let's see how this goes. I've never wrapped anything. Oh, I need to get my cheese open here. I decided not to use the mozzarella. I decided to use the Mexican style. That made more sense to me, so that's what we're gonna do. Ooh, that's hot. That's still hot. Okay. And some cheese. Pull it up, put it in the pan. Okay, those 4 chicken breasts made 9 enchiladas. Okay. I'm just gonna pour some enchilada sauce. Sprinkle a little bit more cheese. Alright, then we're just going to put this in the oven, uncovered for 25 minutes. Alright, and then we'll be back. Alright, I forgot to record it as soon as I took it out of the oven, but here it is, all done. Now I gotta put it in the bowls and get it ready. Alright, so I hope you guys have a great day. That's all I have for today. So, yeah. I don't really know how to end this video because I filmed it yesterday and I can't remember what the last thing I said was. Oh, Lord help us. Yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'm praying for you. I love you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.